guess you wonder where I've been. I search to find the love within. I came back to let you know got a thing for you, and I can't let go.
First stop is 7-Eleven, but first let's do a fit check. Okay, cute. So I wanted to try this viral combo drink that I've been seeing on TikTok, and if you watch my previous move-in vlog, you know I wanted to price match the chocolate milk, which it have ended up being the same price. But the TikTok girlies was telling me to get the Dutch brand chocolate milk. I knew I should have stuck with my intuition. Anyways, I ended up getting the Dutch, and it ended up being cheaper than the other one, so okay, whatever. And for the chips, they have any and every flavor you can think of. I haven't tried the chips yet. I only tried like the sandwiches and stuff, but my favorite is the shrimp burger that is 29 baht. It's equivalent to like 90 or 80 cents. Famous toasties at 7-Eleven that everybody loves. The first one that I tried was the peanut butter and jelly, and I would rate that probably a 6.5 out of 10. I heard that the cheese one is good, but I haven't tried that one yet. Okay, let's try this drink. So it consists of chocolate milk and banana caramel milk. Now, you ask, why is the milk in a bag? I don't know, but that's what the girlies was saying. Get the milk in the bag. I would rate it a 7 out of 10, only because, like I said, I should have got the other chocolate milk and less ice next time. So let's go to the market. This one is called Jod Fairs. The previous location was on Ramen 9, but now it is relocated to Rachada. I believe that's how you say it. Y'all, I seen this shop. It had a white skirt. You know I've been looking for a white skirt since Chatuchak Market, so I ended up getting this one for 10 USD, which wasn't bad. This market really surprised me. They literally have everything. They have fresh seafood, Italian food, Thai food, any viral snacks or combos that you've seen on TikTok from markets. All of that is here as well. That's the second nail shop I've seen, so that must be my sign. I saw this smoothie place. You know I got me a mango smoothie. That's my favorite fruit, y'all, and it was so pretty with the flower. Anyways, I'm walking down this little strip or whatever you want to call it, contemplating if I should get my nails done because they look so bad. So I ended up going to the ATM machine because I needed more money. Of course, I'm always getting less than what I need.
Guess who needs more cash? Me!
So the price to get my nails done was only 250 baht, but because I had polish on my nails previously, that was an extra 350 baht. 250 plus 350 baht equals 17 USD, which still isn't bad. I rode my first motorbike. Wait, because why is nobody talking about the procedure to get on the bike? I haven't got on a motorbike this whole time because I've been so scared and didn't know how to do it, but I found out that you have to hold on to the back of the bike. Anyway, I ordered me some food. I got me a margarita pizza, some pasta, and some wings. I think all of this was like 18 USD, and that is including delivery. Pizza in Atlanta by itself, it's 25 USD, so I feel like I made out with 3 meals. Let me know if you guys want longer vlogs because I want to make content cater to you guys. If you guys want shorter vlogs or if you guys want longer vlogs, let me know. Bye.